Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. First of all, I want to say big up to Anya and Dominic who did the readings for the last few days. Thank you so much, my friends. And now we are going to be starting a new book in this series of miracles, signs, and wonders. Yes, we have been building our faith going through the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John so far. And today we begin the book of Acts. And let me tell you, it's like we're going to have to read the entire book of Acts. Yes, sometimes we call it the Acts of the Holy Spirit. Miracles, signs, and wonders. Not to prove that Jesus is real, but because Jesus is real. I hope you get it. Yeah, so if you want more people to build them faith and hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 1, from verse 1 to verse 11. Theophilus, in my first book, I write about all of the sitting with Jesus do and when him teach from the start till the day him get take up in heaven. That I did after Jesus used the Holy Spirit to tell him apostle them when him did pick, when him want them to do. After he did suffer and dead upon the cross, he come back alive and show himself to him apostle them. He prove to them in enough different way, say him alive. For about 40 days, he keep on a show amongst them, time after time, and talk to them about God's kingdom. One at the time, when he did a eat with them, him tell them, say, turn at Jerusalem and wait for what my father promised for give you. The same sitting when me did tell you about. Cause John baptized people with water. But couple days from now, God I go baptize you with the Holy Spirit. So when they come together, they ask him, say, Lord, and now you go cause the Israelite them for rule again? Him said to them, say, I uncle my father one have the power to decide when that go happen. And him no allow uno to know that. But the Holy Spirit go come upon uno and full uno up with power. And uno will tell people in Jerusalem, Judea, Samaria, and all over the world about me. As he done said this to them, God take him up in heaven right in front of the eye. And when him did a go up, one cloud hide him, so they couldn't see him no more. Them did still a look in the sky when Jesus did a go up. When all of a sudden, two men were dressed in a white clothes come turn upside of them and said to them, say, uno man we come from Galilee. Why make you not turn up here so? We don't know your fasten pan the sky. That same Jesus here, when you see get take up from uno in a heaven, he might go come back the same way, just like how you see him go up in a heaven. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.